Yep, the one who fucked your sister, but quiet as kept because she burned me. But instead of cussing out the bitch, just didn't tell her. Then I let her suck the pus up out my dick. Gave me some money for gas. I hopped out on 59, smoking weed and feeling fine. Dick sucking laws right behind, and they looking, they stare. But I got on my seatbelt, so I don't care. How the fuck you doing today, Mr. Officer? If I had the time, I wouldn't mind to offer you a fat dime and a black 9 in my shit. But no warrants and tight insurance, so you can just ride the fuck on. Bitch, people always get mad at me being like this. Drinking alcohol keeps me peeing white piss. Parents, I'm not telling your children to smoke, you see. Cause if they just say no, it'd be more for me. More for me, more for me, more for me. More for me, more for me, more for me, more for me. What do you say your name was? Bebin. You saw me on the news, but the TV be lying. They got bounty hunters looking for me. I'm wanted for theft. Women claim that I came and got their pussy and left. I'm just an old fool from the old school like my Adidas. Cause all day I drink and smoke. It's like I need it. On stage you can boo me, you can hiss real loud. But I'll just pull out my dick and take a piss in the crowd. Then I'll smile, take a bow, put down my mic and I'll leave. Get the money from the promoter, hope it's enough for some weed. Head dead to the back with the VIP status. In a room full of pimps trying to find them a Gladys. Gotta pick one of them, get one of them, stick one of them quick. Cause they niggas might be here, they niggas might be talking shit. They niggas always somewhere they ain't supposed to be. Niggas can't keep up with their pussy, then it's more for me. More for me, more for me, more for me. More for me, more for me, more for me, more for me. Son said, Daddy, I don't wanna go to school, cause the teacher's a freak. She titty dance on the cool, and all my friends smoke reefer. I think it'd be cheaper if I buy a couple of pounds and sell them ounces in threefers. Cause any way to come up, yep, I got to do with y'all. Having flashbacks, about to stash crack in my drawers, but fuck them laws. They got my brother already, they can suck my balls. Average nigga have no luck at all, but have no other choice but to take up the bet. Trying to 7 or 11 when I come out and pick up a check. Gotta get my shit fit. Hit a quick lick with fringe benefits, like get my dick licked. Cause this money's running funny, got to break before I'm broke. And I can't be waking up in the morning, nothing to smoke. So I think I'll go ham and then roll some sweets. What I can't smoke, I'ma sell it. Hell, it's smoke for me. 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 Smoke for me.